Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy customer analytics with Adobe Analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy customer analytics with Adobe Analytics, begin by creating an Adobe Analytics account. Once your account is set up, log in to the Adobe Analytics workspace. Familiarize yourself with the interface, focusing on the reporting and analysis tools available. Next, identify the specific business objectives you want to achieve through customer analytics. Determine the key metrics that align with those objectives. Install the Adobe Analytics tracking code on your website. You can do this by adding the JavaScript code snippet to the header section of each web page. Once the tracking code is implemented, configure data collection in Adobe Analytics. This involves defining your key dimensions and metrics in the tool. Set up variables such as evars and props to capture relevant customer interactions. After that, create custom events to track specific user actions on your site. Use the Adobe Experience Cloud to enrich your data with additional insights. Next, test the implementation to ensure data is being collected correctly. Use the real-time reports in Adobe Analytics to verify data flow and accuracy. With data confirmed, create dashboards to visualize metrics related to customer behavior. Utilize Adobe's segmentation features to analyze different customer segments. This will allow you to tailor insights based on various demographic or behavioral factors. Continue by applying predictive analytics capabilities for deeper insights. This helps in forecasting future customer behaviors. Finally, integrate Adobe Analytics data with other marketing tools for comprehensive analysis. Regularly review and adjust your analytics strategies based on evolving business needs. Stay updated on Adobe's new features and best practices to enhance your analytics capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.